How to unblock someone in UpScrolled account. Maybe you have blocked someone by accident, or maybe things changed and you want to reconnect on UpScrolled. Whatever the reason, unblocking someone on UpScrolled is a super simple process once you know where to look. First of all, launch open the UpScrolled application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once logged in, from the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you're inside your profile section, click on the gear button. After you open up the settings menu, click on Blocked Users. Under Blocked Users, go ahead and tap on Unblock right next to one of the contacts you want to unblock from the block list. Soon after you tap Unblock, in the pop-up click on Unblock once again to confirm. And you have successfully unblocked the contact in your UpScrolled account. Whether you are reconnecting or fixing an accidental block, your account is back to normal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.